Well, hello again, everyone, and welcome back to Kovac Enterprises. This is going to be episode number 1 of this BK-117 Airbus Helicopter from Revell. And so let's go ahead and take a closer look at this. So we basically went through the first 8 steps in the instructions up to this point. So this is some of the results. So we'll go ahead. Very small. It's a 172 scale, so kind of bear with me on this one. Okay, so here we are with the basically interior assembly, or the cockpit of the helicopter, with all the parts glued in. And so kind of do a quick little turn around and give you like a little 360. We so it includes the 4 seats, and there's a back bench seat as well, and then we have our 2 yokes, lack of a better term there, and then our instrument panel. They do supply you with 2 decals for the instrument panel itself and the console, so that is done. And we'll just kind of have a look. We also painted the seat belts to the seats as well in yellow. So we'll just kind of turn around here, kind of give you a quick little 360, and at the end of the video I'll try to take some closer up pictures so you can see all the kind of detail and its clarity. So there we go for the interior assembly. And next up on the sprue tree, we have our color for the exterior fuselage of the helicopter itself. We went ahead and picked up the, or I should say picked out the Craftsmark metallic bright gold, which we have here. And we went ahead and airbrushed the main coat for the Airbus helicopter itself. So this is what we came up with. All right, and as you can see, while we have it here on one half of it, we did. I know it's kind of hard to see, but we did install the 3 windows on this half of the helicopter. I did notice when I was trying to dry fit the windows for this particular kit, the windows actually kind of fell through the opening. So basically I kind of went ahead and took a little bit more extra of the glue and glaze glue that I use, and I went on the back side, as you can see here, and I used a toothpick to kind of outline the interior walls of the window openings, and then I went ahead and inserted the windows very carefully, and then kind of just let them sit overnight and let them dry. So they seem to be holding at this point. So there you go, there's that. If you draw your attention to the center part of the sprue here, we did install like the exhaust ports, and just do a little bit of a touch up on there. I basically used the silver sterling metallic paint, and I'll do a little touch up as well on that. So that is that part of the sprue. And then our second sprue tree, of course, we added a few more colors to the sprue itself for the individual parts that will be eventually glued to the helicopter. So there you go. And we'll go the other side here. So basically all the colors are painted in, and we went ahead and sealed them with the Future to hold the paint in place. And so basically that's where we're at this point in time for the Airbus Helicopter. So until then, stay tuned for the second episode, and we'll have a little bit more done. So until then, everybody have a good weekend, and we will catch you on the next segment. See you later. Bye.